Hey folks, Orgonite Austin. Okay, backyard rain pipes. Now, the purpose of the water is to connect to the center of the earth. The reason I think this might work is, one, because the ground is so wet from the previous rain that we've got moisture going into the ground. So, and plus I put a quartz in there, and plus I'm putting my cloudbuster in there. Backyard rain pipes, give it a shot, man. Let's see what happens. Alright, it's basically fence posts. Yes, there's a big old quartz right there. I made a big hole. Now, after it's full of water, I'm going to make sure that there's a constant trickle of water. What? Alright. There we go. And as soon as that's full, I'm going to make sure that it's barely overflowing. I'm telling you, rain pipes work. Okay, this is Orgonite Austin. I love you. Bye.